In this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram carousel post. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you open Instagram, you need to tap on that plus icon at the top and then select post to create a post with multiple photos or videos. So first you need to select the first picture and then tap on that icon here, and now you can select up to 10 different pictures. I will select some and then hit next. Here you can select a filter to all the images at once, or you can tap on any exact image and select a filter for that specific image. Then press done. And here you can write a caption, tag people, add location, and do other things like you normally create the Instagram post, and then tap on that share button. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.